Right guys, I'm going to show you how to adapt a polypropylene drum to a cyclonic. Take the head off, have the filter out. So, okay. Remove your original inlet. All of our kits will come with a gasket. Position your gasket so the gasket covers these two holes and incorporate the round hole into your new inlet. So we'll hold that there. Right. Hold that there. Down there. There you go, we need to cut that out. Keep seeing a lot of people saying get a real fine tooth blade for cutting. Now what I find is where it's not taking a lot, it's generating a lot of heat and making the plastic melt. So I use the coarsest blade I can find. I'm holding this off of the drum so we don't scratch it. There you go. Okay, so stick your gasket to your cyclonic inlet, lining up these holes. I've just got to push those through, like that. Offer that up to your drum. Have a look on the inside to make sure that's nice and level, square where you want it. And mark it with a pen. What I tend to do is just mark with one hole to start with and drill that. I'm going to be using rivets. Obviously the kit comes with nuts and bolts. And I put a washer on the inside so they don't pull through the polypropylene. Once you've got the one in there, you can finish lining that up. Drill. There is.